Here's everything about relative atomic mass in 60 seconds. You can find the relative atomic mass of an element in the periodic table as the bigger number. It's basically an average of the mass numbers of all the isotopes of the element. But it's not simply taking all the mass numbers and finding their average value. It involves taking into account the abundance of the isotopes. Abundance is basically how common a particular isotope is. If you took a sample of chlorine gas, for example, you'd roughly find two different isotopes in the sample, chlorine-35 and chlorine-37. But there aren't equal amounts of both. Around 75% of the sample would be chlorine-35 and 25 would be chlorine-37. So to find the relative atomic mass of an element and take the abundances into account, you need to multiply the mass number by the abundance for each isotope and add them together. You then divide the whole thing by 100. So using this equation, try and work out the relative atomic mass of chlorine. So first get the mass number of isotope 1, which is 35, and multiply that by the percentage abundance of 75. Then for isotope 2, do the same thing, which will give you 37 times 25. Now add both of these results together and divide by 100 to give you an answer of 35.5.